Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change spark plugs. First, ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. Gather your tools, including a spark plug socket, ratchet, and torque wrench. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting any work. This prevents accidental electrical shorts. Next, locate your engine cover, if present, and carefully remove it to expose the ignition coils. Disconnect the electrical connectors from each ignition coil by pressing the release tab and pulling gently. Then, unbolt and remove each ignition coil from its well. Keep track of which coil came from which cylinder for easier reinstallation. Now, using your spark plug socket and extension, carefully unscrew and remove each old spark plug. Inspect them for signs of wear or fouling. Before installing new plugs, ensure they are correctly gapped according to your vehicle's specifications, usually between 0.28 and 0.60 inches. Gently thread the new spark plugs into their wells by hand, then tighten them to the manufacturer's specified torque, typically around 15 foot-pounds. Finally, reinstall the ignition coils, ensuring they are seated properly and bolted down. Reconnect all electrical connectors to the coils. Replace the engine cover, making sure it's secure. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and listen for smooth operation, confirming your new spark plugs are working correctly. You've successfully changed your spark plugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.